Are you having trouble with Apple Maps directions not working on your iPhone? This issue can prevent you from getting turn-by-turn navigation or accurate routes, often caused by network problems, location, services, settings, or app glitches. Don't worry, these effective steps will help you get Apple Maps directions working again. Solution 1. Check location services. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. Ensure location services are turned on. Scroll down and tap Maps, then select while using the app to allow Apple Maps to access your location. Solution 2. Check network connection. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you're on Wi-Fi and having issues, switch to cellular data or vice versa and try again. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh Apple Map. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap General. Tap Background App Refresh. Make sure Background App Refresh is turned on for Wi-Fi and cellular data. After that, scroll down and ensure that Apple Maps is toggled on. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to see Open Apps. Solution 4. Clear Apple Map bugs or glitches. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, scroll down, find out Apple Map, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall the app, open Apple Apps and check if the direction issue is resolved. Solution 5. Update iOS. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to ensure your device is running the latest iOS version, which might fix any compatibility issues with Apple Maps. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Apple Maps directions not working on the issue and get back to using the app for navigation. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and stay tuned for the next video.